In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an A/B test through the Optibase dashboard. So if you're using Webflow, we have a link in the description, which is a video showing how to do it through the Webflow app. Anyways, first things first, go to the Optibase dashboard, go to the tests page and click Create Test. Give it a name that makes sense. So in this case, what we're going to do is CTA button color. And as you can see, by default, A/B test is selected, so just go ahead and click Next. The next thing that you're going to want to do is connect a conversion. So if you don't know how to create a conversion, we have other videos linked in the description talking about that. In this case, we already have one, so let's just go ahead and connect the Get Started Clicked conversion and click Next. The next thing that we need to do is create some variant. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create Variant, and let's just call this one blue. Click Create Variant, and then let's make another one and call it red. Just like that, we've created our variants, and if I hover over here, as we can see, data Optibase variant ID equals blue. This is the attribute, the custom attribute that we are going to want to add to that variant to market. Along with that, I can set the traffic split. So let's say we've been using blue for a long time and we just kind of want to test red a little bit. I can go ahead, for example, and set this to 20% and save that. And now, as you can see, 80% of people are going to see blue and 20% of people are going to see red. So now we have configured our test, and here we are on the CTA button color test. As we can see, it is set to draft. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and add all of the attributes. Now, the way of adding custom attributes depends on what you are using. That being said, remember the variants that we created, blue and red over here. We're going to add those attributes to the variants that we've created. So for example, our blue CTA button is going to get the blue attribute, and our red CTA button is going to get the red attribute. And then we can see up here, there is another attribute, which is data Optibase test ID, and then, well, the name of your test. That is an attribute that we are going to add to both variants. So once we've done that, what we can do is come back to the dashboard and set this to active. And then we are officially running. The next thing you can do, if you'd like, is set it to turn off the test automatically when a winner has been found. Along with that, you can set restrictions by location, screen size, operating system, and browser. So go ahead, set this up, set it to live, collect some data, and then you can view it from the results tab in the Optibase dashboard.